All right, folks. So I received this notification at 8 a.m. in the morning today. So I'm thinking of initiating the installation because I need to test this ROM anyway. If this doesn't work as expected, I would simply back off because I need to ensure that fast charging is working beyond 70% because it's a scam. It's a big scam by Ola to disable fast charging. It's not to conserve the battery. It's basically to bill all the users who do fast charging at their public chargers and pay as per the time taken for those charging sessions. And when they disable fast charging after 70%, you cannot do any kind of fast charging even when the battery temperatures are safe. Like today, when charging from 21 to 71%, my battery temperature got increased to 45 degrees. So it actually slowed down. So, yeah, it should not be choice of Ola to disable fast charging at a particular battery percentage. Sorry, the display went off. So it should not be up to Ola to decide when to do fast charging when battery is safe. Like right now, the battery temperature, let me check. It is 37 degrees. It was charging. It has charged to 58%. So in MoveOS 4.04 and onwards, 405 also I have tested. I think there is a 406 as well. So in these MoveOS versions, they have disabled fast charging beyond 70%. Even 403C has some amount of fast charging, but 404 onwards, they have completely disabled it after 70%. So let me see how it is now. And if there is any changes as compared to MoveOS 5 beta. So let me quickly hit on install, get ready to install. I think it has already downloaded when I have clearly disabled the download option. Yeah, it has already downloaded it, even when the download option was disabled. That's Ola for you. So let's wait for the installation to complete and I'll start the fast charging at 58% or whatever percentage is after the installation and then see how it is. Many people are reporting system errors, system issues, asking them to restart the vehicle. So that's a serious concern. Hopefully it doesn't impact my vehicle. It could be a hardware issue. Normally it is a hardware issue. So yeah, let me quickly install and come back to you after this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.